In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving equation of tangent and normal to a curve. So after going through this video, you will learn how to solve problems involving equation of tangent and normal to a curve easily. So be sure you stay with me till the very end of this video. Let's begin with this problem I have here. Let's say given this function y equals x cubed minus 3x plus 2 when x equals to, I asked to find the equation of tangent and normal to this curve. So firstly, let's take note of the formula you can apply to find equation of tangent and normal. So for equation of tangent to the curve, we solve it using y minus y1 equals m1 in brackets x minus x1. Alright, whereas for equation of normal to the curve, we solve using y minus y1 equals m2 in bracket x minus x1. Okay, so this for equation of normal. Now let me show you line of tangent and line of normal in a graph. Let's say this is a graph and we have a curve here. So this is the tangent line, whereas the line comes like this. This is the normal line. Alright, so it's important to take note of this. So having known this, let's go ahead and solve this question. So in this question, m is our slope. Okay, in the course of the video, I will show you how you can find the slope, which is using the derivative of the function. Right, so now let's bring out the parameters we have here. So in this question, we have our x to be 2, we don't have our y. So our y will be, substitute these 2 in this function. So when we do it, we're going to have it to be 2 cube minus 3 times 2 plus 2, which give us, so we have 2 cube will give us 8 minus 6 plus 2, so we have it to be 4. So our y will be 4. Alright, so when our y is 4, let's get our m1. So our m1 will be the derivative of the function. So when you differentiate the function y, you're going to have 3x squared minus 3 when you put a constant plus the 0. So after doing this, you then substitute these two here in this expression. So when you do, you're going to have 3 in bracket 2 square minus 3. Alright, so when you simplify this the more, you're going to have 2 square give us 4. 4 times 3 12. We have 12 minus 3 equals 9. So our m1 is what? 9. So let's wipe this now and begin to impute them in this formula we have and get the equation of tangent to the curve. Okay, so remember we got our x to be 2, our y to be 4, and our m1, the slope of the tangent, to be 9. So and this is the formula we apply: y minus y1 equals m1 in bracket x minus x1. So when you impute it, you will have y minus, so this is our y1, this is our x1, so you will have y minus 4 equals, so our slope is 9 in bracket x, our s1 is so let me clean this and put minus. So we have x minus 2, alright, bracket close. So when it's divided, you're going to have y minus 4 equals 9x minus 18. So therefore, the equation of tangent to the curve, y equals 9x minus 18 plus 4, which will give us y equals 9x, and 18 plus will give us minus 14. So this will be the equation of tangent to the curve. Now note that you can also equate this to 0. When one will work, you can also leave it to be When you want to equate it to 0, that means you bring everything here. You bring this y to this right hand side of the equation. So when you bring it there, you're going to have 9x minus y minus 14 equals 0. So any of this can work, but mostly they leave it with this format: y equals 9x minus 14 to be the equation of tangent to the curve. Alright, so having known this, let's write this now. So for equation of normal to the curve. Okay, so for equation of normal to the curve, we have it to be y minus y1 equals m2 in brackets x minus x1. Alright, whereas our m2, to get it, is the negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent. That's negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent. And the slope of the tangent, we got it to be 9. So this is going to give us the slope of the normal will be minus 1 over 9. So that's the slope of the normal. So you substitute the values in this expression. Remember, we got our x is 2 and our y is 4. When you substitute, you're going to have y minus 4 equals minus 1 over 9 in brackets x minus 2. Okay, so when you do this, you cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you're going to have y minus 4 times 9 equals minus 1x minus 2. Okay, so let's simplify further. You're going to get 9y minus 9 times 4, you're going to have 36 equals minus x plus 2. Alright, so now that we have done this, let's take what is here and take it to the left. So I will put this one to 0 to get the equation of normal the curve. So when you do it, you're going to have x plus 9y minus 36 minus 2 equals 0. So finally, therefore, when you simplify it, the equation of normal to this curve will give us x plus 9y minus 36 minus 2 give us minus 38 equals 0. So this will be the equation of normal to this curve. So basically, guys, this is how you can solve problems involving equation of tangent and normal to a curve. Now note that there are some problems in which they give you, let's say, remember when we started this question, we say when x is 2. And some problems they will give you, give you both x and they give you like this x and y. They give you these coordinates x and y together, where this one is your x, this one will be your y. So in such situation, you don't have to find y, so you just solve it with the problem. Let's say let me use 4. Let's say give this coordinate to be 6. This will be your this will be your y. So in such situation, your x will be 2 and your y will be 6. So you don't need to find y, but when you're not giving the y value, you find y by substituting the x you are given in the function to get y. So I hope you understood what I just said. And with this, we are come to the end of this class.